In an unimaginable twist of fate, the vast Atlantic Ocean vanishes overnight, leaving behind a massive barren landscape stretching between the Americas, Europe, and Africa. The world is thrown into chaos. Suddenly, entire continents are connected by dry land, making sea travel and naval dominance obsolete. Nations scramble to claim this newly exposed territory, rich with untouched resources, minerals, and even ancient, long-submerged ruins from forgotten civilizations. In the early years, global power shifts. Europe, Africa, and the Americas now face each other directly, with land armies rushing to occupy and control the vast new frontier. Economic systems collapse and rebuild as global trade routes completely change. Former coastlines now serve as the foundation for sprawling, new megacities, capitalizing on their proximity to former maritime hubs. However, the newly exposed land is anything but stable. Gigantic salt flats and deep, unexplored trenches are all that's left of the ocean floor. Massive tectonic activity begins to shape this new world, causing earthquakes and volcanic eruptions across the former Atlantic basin, threatening the new settlements. The ecological consequences are devastating. Climate systems shift wildly without the Atlantic's currents to regulate weather, bringing extreme droughts to some regions and torrential rains to others. Former coastal cities in Europe and the Americas, once teeming with life, struggle to adapt as their climates shift drastically. Meanwhile, scientists warn that without the Atlantic Ocean acting as a massive carbon sink, the planet's atmosphere begins to change. Rising temperatures accelerate the melting of polar ice, and nations around the world race to build infrastructure to prevent the irreversible flooding of newly expanded coastlines. Ironically, the lands gained from the dried ocean may soon be lost again as global sea levels threaten to rise beyond control. As the world adjusts to this new reality, humanity stands on the brink of both incredible opportunity and unprecedented danger. With new land comes new conflict, and with new challenges come new technological advances, but the clock is ticking. How long can the world survive without one of its most vital oceans?